Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I straighten my hair. I'll also be showing you how I trim my hair, and I'll be doing a quick blank check. So I have my hair in a cotton t-shirt to suck up all the moisture. I already prepped my hair. Okay, my hair is pretty damp. What I like to do is section my hair off. I'm going to detangle. I'm going to start off with my Tresemme heat protectant. Turn on my Rev Air. It's at the number 7 suction and it's on heat. Rev Air only goes up to like, I think 210 degrees, so it's not even really that hot. You see how straight the Rev Air got my hair? Like, that's just with the Rev Air. Look at all these gray hairs. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have like a ton of gray hairs now. I'm getting old, y'all. I'm getting old. Alrighty, look how straight this is, y'all. This is just the Rev Air. Oh, but look at them edges though. Ooh. Now that this is blow dried, I'm just gonna pin this up, and then I'm gonna make some order in here. And then I'll get to reparting my hair so everything's nice and even, because you know how I am about my evenness and stuff. Today, I'm putting this flat iron on 375. 375 today. So how I part my hair, I start from the ear right here and I go straight across. That's gonna be this back section. Okay. Okay. So I got my middle part done. I'm gonna put the tool at the top of the head and roll it back, look straight ahead, and roll it back till you start to not be able to see it anymore. That's like the top of your head. So you're gonna section it from that point forward down to the ear. Separate the middle from the crown. Woo. You're gonna, so from this point in the middle to the ear, you're gonna start in the middle of that. It's about here, and you're just gonna make a semicircle. Okay, so how's it look? Looks good. So this is how it looks. I don't know if y'all can see it. The reason why I'm sectioning it off like this is because the way that I'm doing it is gonna tell me how I'm gonna angle my hair. But I am gonna follow my hair's guide, like whatever it tells me is what it needs to trim is what I'm gonna trim. The goal is to trim maybe 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch. This is how my hair looks. Flat iron is ready to go. It's called a ceramic straightening brush. It's by the brand Diane. So this is how it looks. It opens at the bottom like that. Nice and clean. I'm gonna take out this back section. Actually, I'm gonna pee because this is a tedious process and I need to be 100% focused. I'm gonna take out my scissors or shears. Ta-da! Do not drop your shears, they can mess up the blade. Be careful. I'm gonna trim as I go. I'm gonna start low. So I'm gonna start down here. All right, so here we go. I haven't done this in a while. This is the bottom hairs. I'm gonna kind of try to follow the line that I see, if there is one. These hairs down here don't have like a definitive line because they're like nape hairs. So I'm just gonna like dust it. kind of see the lines. So I don't know if you can see, there's a line. I'm just gonna like follow it. Like the bare, like very ends. I'm just cleaning up. See? Like that. Alright, what I gotta do now is the section down here that I finished. I'm actually gonna section off. I don't wanna get confused. So I'm gonna use this crocodile clip. And I hope that holds. Again, find the line, found it, and literally dust. Boom. Alright, this back half is done. Alright, so it's done. This is how it's looking from the front. Ouch. Very healthy looking, very even though, because I already have a cut. So I just follow the line. I didn't even try to even things up. I just went piece by piece and trimmed the ends to clean them up. And that's it. That's it. So I'm gonna move on to the layers now. So this side, I'm gonna just go in very thin slivers across this way, since it's like where my layers are. Alright, so the back and the middle are done, straightened and trimmed. Alright, so back, the entire back is done. Let's have a look. Looks pretty good to me. Alright guys, so I am finished straightening and trimming my hair. As you saw, I went like section by section, just trimmed what I felt was needed. My hair feels very, very full and thick. It feels healthy. My ends feel great. So we're gonna go ahead and measure this bad boy now. But last time I got my hair straightened, I didn't do a video about it at all. It got trimmed to 11 1/4. So it's been 2 months since then, and so my hair should be like 12 1/4, and I should have dusted maybe like 1/4 of an inch off. So I'm hoping that my hair is at 12, because 12, as you know, is Brastrap length, like an official numeral for Brastrap length. So we're gonna go ahead and measure it. As you guys know, I put it at the nape of my neck. And I like to put it, just a reiteration for you guys, I always put it at this crease. I put my head all the way back so I can make a crease here, like a line. And that way I know I'm putting my measuring tape at the same spot every time. So, put it there, feel the crease. Put my head back up, look straight ahead. And I'm gonna grab hair. I hope you guys can see. Look straight ahead. Grab hair. Snap straight. Wait. Oh, sorry, it's hard to do this